Skin cycling, the 2025 skincare trend everyone's talking about. In 2025, one of the biggest beauty and health trends gaining momentum across social media and dermatology circles alike is skin cycling. Unlike overloaded skincare routines with countless steps and products, skin cycling is a minimalist and strategic approach that allows your skin to rest and repair. The concept, introduced by dermatologists, has gone viral for a reason. It works. It's a 4-night cycle that optimizes product use, prevents irritation, and enhances results. With busy lifestyles and increased awareness of ingredient fatigue, more people are turning to this technique as a sustainable way to maintain glowing, healthy skin. Night 1 is dedicated to exfoliation. This step sets the stage by removing dead skin cells, unclogging pores, and preparing the skin for deeper penetration of active ingredients in the upcoming nights. Dermatologists recommend using chemical exfoliants like AHAs or BHAs over physical scrubs, which can be too harsh. The goal isn't to overdo it, but to create a clean, refreshed surface. Over-exfoliation is a common mistake, and skin cycling helps prevent this by limiting it to once every 4 nights. The result is smoother, brighter skin without compromising the skin barrier. Night 2 focuses on retinoids, which are powerhouse ingredients for cell turnover, collagen production, and reducing fine lines. Retinoids can be irritating if overused, but within the skin cycling method, they're strategically placed to allow maximum benefit without inflammation. It's important to pair retinoid nights with a gentle cleanser and no other active ingredients. The controlled use ensures that even people with sensitive skin can slowly build tolerance, making this routine adaptable and safe for various skin types. Nights 3 and 4 are recovery nights. This is when the skin is allowed to rest and hydrate. These nights involve barrier-repairing ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and peptides. No actives, no acids, just pure hydration and healing. This part of the cycle is crucial and often overlooked in traditional skincare routines. Recovery nights not only soothe the skin, but also strengthen it, leading to better long-term results. This rhythm mimics the body's natural healing process and aligns with the growing wellness movement toward balance and sustainability in self-care.